I have an announcement to make. There's the cat that we adopted. I have an announcement to make. It's actually around this corner. I've been putting this off because I've been sick for the last 7 days. And basically, I don't know how long I'm going to have this, but I did recently purchase something. And it's going to be pretty cool for the channel, even though, as you can probably tell, it's fall. They're actually calling for snow later this weekend, so not a lot. Obviously, it's only October, but it is that time of the year. Looks like she's about to attack something. Anyway, I'm going to go around the corner and show you guys what I bought. So this is my newest purchase of toys that I keep buying. I'm going to stop now. But no, realistically though, I bought this and I have my 450R up for sale because I have no one to ride with, and with having 4 jet skis, as you guys know, I have 4 jet skis. I actually spend way more time riding the jet skis than I have spent driving the 4-wheeler or riding the 4-wheeler. So, but I'm gonna go over this, starting with like I said, it's 2006. I bought it with 49,000, just under 50,000 miles on it. 49,700 miles is when I bought it. We put it on the trailer. I actually drove all the way down out of state for this. It only has 50,000 miles on it now. It's a little over 50,000. It's a COBALT SS. It's supercharged, and it has a really ugly fake carbon fiber hood on it that I'm probably gonna get rid of. It's got so there's some stuff done to it. It's got these Brembos in the front, which are an upgrade from the L&F version of this car. It's got these end keys. They are 18x8s with some wrapped with Firestone Indy 500s that are like brand new basically. This car needs a bath. I'm probably gonna go wash it. I'm not sure though. It's supposed to rain, but I'm gonna probably drive my truck to work tomorrow because it's gonna be like about 40 degrees out. Besides that, other stuff that's done to it, it's got a 3.0 ZZP pulley, ZZP downpipe, cold air intake, and it's also got a flash from ZZP, as well as it's the G85 car, so it has the factory limited slip differential, and it has the factory exhaust from GM. It's like updated or upgraded or whatever, but I'm going to show you guys the interior now. It's a little dirty right now because I've been driving it back and forth to work. It's a 5-speed, like I said. And sunroof does actually work, so that's pretty cool. The horn doesn't work. There's a few things wrong with it. It's the airbag light's on and the gas gauge doesn't work, and there's a check engine light on for that, so I can actually get it fixed, but it's something where I have to drop the tank, and that's expensive, so I'm probably going to hold off on that. But then I'm going to open the trunk. It did come with an extra set of rims and tires, and they actually were all in here with the seats folded down. It's missing the factory sub. In fact, that might actually be, I'm not sure if that's where the factory sub may have been sitting. I don't know. I know that there's supposed to be a factory sub in it, and it doesn't have one. It makes me sad, but I don't know. There's not much else to go over. I'm probably gonna wash it. It's dirty, and I need to wash it. So, but I figured I'd do an update. I still have the 4-wheeler as of right now, but it is for sale. And if anyone wants it, message me on the Instagram, on the YouTube Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll put it on the screen. But let me know what you guys think. Leave a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. I'm definitely going to be doing some videos on this. Depends on how fast the weather drops off. If it's supposed to snow, but if it gets back to being nice, because it's only the 10th right now of October, I'm going to try and get some driving videos in. I wanted to get some driving videos in with the Fiero too, but I've been working a lot, so I actually just got out of work. That's why I just got flip-flops on, because I wanted to come make this video. But, before I go, one other thing. It does have the base model spoiler on it, which I like, because my friend had a high-rise spoiler on his COBALT, and you couldn't see out the back window. But that's going to do it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Peace.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, you a